Hi guys, Merry Christmas to all of you. We need green chart, cut it in a different sizes. The size should be mentioned on this video. Make a semicircle shape and attach it with a glue gun. Follow my steps. Attach it one by one. Look like this. Now we attach with the ice cream sticks at the bottom. Attach it properly and one by one now we make a perfect Christmas shape. Now we attach a bow at the top of the Christmas tree. It's looking nice. Now we make some snowy effect with the whitener. Our beautiful Christmas DIY is ready.